Dash, here. Did you get that one? Oh. Oh no. Jump. Get him up. Get him up. This one almost hit us in the face.
You hit it more on the wing here. Broke the wing. It wasn't able to fly good anymore, but you definitely hit it.
Knocked him down. You didn't hit him center of mass, but you got his, you winged it. Oh yeah, I can see it's a big rooster. Don't let this one go. Get him up. Get him back. Nice shot, babe.
Good shot. Right here.
Nice shooting.
I like this big. But that wasn't very far away either.
Good shot. Nice.
Here, Dash.
Get him up. Get him up. I got him as he was falling.
He has another one right here.
Here, Dash. Come here, Dash.
Dash, here. Gage.
This one got another.
Get him, babe.
Daddy got him.